Hello YouTube, welcome to my first Unreal Engine tutorial, and today we are going to see how we can create some material presets for our mesh, so we can change the material on a same mesh and have our life, like level designer's life, easy for designing a level or setting up some test materials to see how things are coming. So what we are going to see, I will show you. So this is the blueprint which we are. You can just change the material of this cube on the go. For now, I have just used three material presets, but you can do as many as you want. You can also change the mesh, but that we will see in the next tutorial. For this part, we will only see how to create a mesh and change materials that we have already created in our content browser. So let's get started. So first, we will come to our content browser. We'll create a blueprints folder. I have already created it, so we already directly created. First, open your blueprint folder, create a folder. Now I will create a folder for tube actors, and in here I'll create the blueprint class actors. I'll name it tube LD cube. Cute LD cube. Open your blueprint, and in here you have to add a static mesh. Now I am only using a cube for this tutorial purpose, so you can use that, but generally we add a static mesh, name it a static mesh, and then select any static mesh that we have in the scene. Like I have this terrain. So if you have any other things like a road sign board or stairs or anything, you can just use that machine. So now I will only use the cube. Alright, let's say I'll use speed. Just use speed. Use location to 50. And don't count on 0. Let's look at. Okay, so these are the things I already created before. I'll show you how to create them again. So for blueprint, initial part is done. Now we will create an enumeration. Enum. So click on your content browser, go to blueprints, enumeration, and name it E underscore whatever you want to name the material. So I will only institute LD3 underscore cube. Open your enumeration and add how many materials you want. So I will create three. So I will create three materials here. First one is the red, blue, and green. Enumeration part is done. Now we have to create actual materials. So for ease of this tutorial, I am only creating materials here. But if you want to maintain your hierarchy in your projects, just create a materials folder and your master material instance and all. But for ease of this tutorial, I'm only making materials here, so you can see how many actors or materials or entities we are using for this tutorial. So right click on your content browser, go to materials, m underscore color master. So this is our master material. From this we can create some instances. So click on the material, press 3 on your keyboard, left click. So this will pop up. And if you want to do manually, then just choose this constant 3 vector. It will be the same. Right click on the yellow bar and convert this to parameter and name it color tint or color albedo or base color, whatever you want to name it, just so you can understand. Plug it into your base color. Now you can just keep the default material color anything. I like my default as white, so I'll just select the white color. Okay, and save. Now from this master we will create material instances. You name it mi underscore red. Duplicate this mi underscore blue. Can I duplicate this and mi underscore green. Now for blue, we'll go color tint, select blue, blue, and red as 0. Then for green color, we'll do the same. Just select the value here only. And then for red, we will use red, so I will zero out green and blue. I will save everything. Control Shift S. Now our initial setup is done. Now we'll move back to our blueprint, click LDQ, and I will show you how to do a setup. So we have already created this enumeration. So drag from the construction script. So open your blueprint. We'll see viewport, construction, and event graph. We'll come to this construction script section. Drag out from the key and type on switch on. Switch on, and your enumeration name e tut ldq e underscore tut ldq. This is I have already created e tut ldq. I will select this. Now we will create a variable and we will name it same way as we have in our enumeration e underscore ldq. We will make it a public variable, and in type we will select our enumeration. We will type here the same name as our enumeration e tut LDQ. We'll select this, drag this, and put it in here. This variable will go in this section. Now we will grab our sphere mesh or the mesh that you have selected in your report. This one, we'll drag it here, drag a pin from here, and then we will choose set materials. Set materials, right? I will duplicate this 3 times because we have 3 materials. You can duplicate it as many times as you want, as you have put this enumeration, but this and this has to be same. So the number of your enumerations you have created in here, and this has to be the same numbers. I have created 3 enums. I will duplicate this materials 3 times. Red, blue, and green. Green. These all 3 are for the same. So I will just plug the sphere actor in all the target sections. And now we have to set the materials in the last section. To control space, I will go to my 3 actors and just 3 materials. So first of all, red, and second one is blue. Just grab it here, and the third one is green. So, so we'll just cross check everything. Materials in my red, blue, and green, and that's it. We are all done. We'll just save everything. We go to our country browser, select our BP, drag it in our actor, drag in our actor into our scene. And that's it. Now we can just change the color from anything. You see? And if you want to duplicate this, just duplicate as many as you want. Select, change the color. It's written. You can just select multiple things and then change the color all at once. So that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like this tutorial. I will come up with more tutorials in future about Unreal Engine. So that's it for now. Bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel.